Hello, my name is Junya, and I love to help at Midori Farm. These are my sweet potatoes. Thank you.
Hi, this is Chuck. We're out here at Midori Farm today. It's a beautiful day, early May, and we're going to start our own sweet potato slips. Sweet potato slips are what you plant in the ground to grow out your sweet potatoes. You don't plant seeds to grow sweet potatoes, and you don't plant the tuber either. You actually plant the tuber that you can eat into soil, and you water it just like a house plant, and soon baby plants will start coming out of the sweet potato. Those you remove, and those are what you plant in the ground. So I've got my son Junior here today with me, and he's going to help us do this. So let's get started. First, we're going to take some of our soil mixed with compost, and we're going to fill up the pot. Junior, you want to do that?
Yeah.
Go ahead. This is the same soil that's in our beds here in Midori Farm, and we mix it with a little of our homemade compost. A little bit more. There we go. Yeah, good. Take out some of the bigger chunks. There we go. Okay, now, why don't you go ahead and put these in. Put the pointy end down, that's right. I'm going to push it in as far as you can. There you go. Yeah, maybe that one. Yeah, actually we can take that off of there. There you go. How about this one? Yeah. There we go. And when we finish putting soil in there, go ahead and spread that around. You want to make sure the sweet potatoes are at least half, if not 2/3, under the soil. Why do we have to do math? You love math.
Yeah.
You're really good at math. Okay, so what's bigger, Junior? A half or 2/3?
What's in the half?
A half. Nibun no ichi. Or sanbun no ni. Which is bigger?
3/2.
2/3? That's correct. Very good. So we've got our sweet potatoes now in place. Now what do? Well, we just water them every day or so. So the plants, the soil stays nice and moist. The tubers, they'll start to grow roots on the bottom, and then they'll start to grow the slips out the top. And then we'll be able to harvest those in about 3 or 4 weeks, I hope. And then we'll be putting them out in our field. So keep watching.